Today I will show you an IoT-based smart firefighting system. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bharath Hegde. I am studying second year BCA 4th semester. In our semester we have a subject called Internet of Things. As part of this subject, we developed a mini project. We successfully demonstrated this project in our college IoT Mini Project Expo. We explained it to our principal madam, lecturers and many students from different departments. We worked as a team to design and build this smart firefighting system. It was a great learning experience in IoT and real-time applications. Special thanks to our class mentor, Pooja madam, for supporting our IoT project. This is our complete working model. The main aim of this project is to detect the fire at an early stage and automatically control it without human intervention. The system continuously monitors the surroundings environment using smoke and flame sensors. Now I will explain the components used in this project. This is the nodemcu ESP8266. It is the main controller of our system. It connects to Wi-Fi and sends data to the cloud. This is the smoke sensor. It detects the smoke level in the air. This is the flame sensor. It detects the presence of fire. This is the servo motor. It continuously scans the area. When fire is detected, it rotates towards the fire. This is the relay module. It controls the water pump. This is the water pump. It sprays water to extinguish the fire. This is the LCD display. It shows the real-time status like smoke level and fire detection. This is the main buzzer used for fire detection. When the flame sensor detects fire, this buzzer will immediately turn on. This is a mini buzzer used for smoke detection. When the smoke sensor detects smoke in the environment, this buzzer will activate. These are status indicator LEDs used in the system. The green LED indicates that the system is in normal condition. When there is no fire or smoke detected, the green light remains on. The red LED indicates danger or alert condition. When fire or high smoke is detected, the red LED turns on and the green LED turns off. This is a 7.4 volt battery connected to the relay module. When fire is detected, the relay turns on and supplies power to the water pump. This is a 12 volt battery connected to a 5 volt buck converter module. The converter reduces voltage from 12V to 5V. Since this is an IoT-based project, the system requires an internet connection. So first, I turn on my mobile hotspot. The nodemcu connects to this Wi-Fi network and communicates with the blank cloud platform. Now I power the system using a USB supply. You can see on the LCD display, it shows connecting Wi-Fi. Once connected, it shows Wi-Fi connected. System is ready. Now I will demonstrate the smoke detection. As you can see, when smoke is detected, the system gives an alert. At the same time, you can see that I receive a notification on my mobile phone through the Blink app. Now I will show flame detection. Here the flame sensor continuously scans the area by rotating 180 degrees using a servo motor. When fire is detected, the scanning immediately stops at that exact position. Then the water pipe servo automatically rotates towards the fire location. At the same time, the water pump is activated to spray water on the fire. This process continues for about 5 seconds to control the fire. After 5 seconds, the system resets. The water pipe returns to its normal position at 90 degrees and the scanning process starts again. At the same time, the system sends a real-time notification to my mobile phone using the Blink IoT platform. This system can be used in homes, laboratories, industries, warehouses, server rooms, and smart buildings. It helps in reducing fire damage and improves safety. This is our IoT-based smart firefighting system. It is automatic, low cost, and efficient. Thank you for watching. If you like this project, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.